Hello my awesome viewers, this is Welder Art and you're watching Test and Review series. So in this video we will talk about products, what we can use them for, and of course what effect we can achieve from using them. Okay, so what do we have here? In this bottle we got acrylic resin, named Puddles, because this product is designed for dioramas to make a weathering. Of course it's acrylic one, so non-smelling, non-toxic. You can dilute this product with regular normal water. So if you want to achieve more transparent ones, you of course dilute with the water. In the further part of this video I will show you how to use this product. Before use you can shake the bottle well, because paint could be stay on the bottom of this jar, so yeah, you need to shake this product before use. Okay, the acrylic resin when they dry could be shrinking a little bit, because yeah, this is the acrylic one, so this cost maybe you to put a few another layers on top of this first one. So yeah, keep this in mind, that maybe you will need to repeat this step of pouring these puddles. So yeah, of course I will show you on my diorama how to spread evenly this product. So right now I'm pulling a little bit of resin to diorama where the puddles will be, and spread it with the cocktail stick. Of course you can use for this regular brush, but keep this in mind that this brush will probably damaged. Okay, the consistency is a little bit runny because this is the liquid resin. Yeah, you can manipulate this product on the surface. To blend the edges of these puddles, of course you need the brush or something, because of the surface tension of this product. It's acting like a little bit of water, but more jelly type. So yeah, you need to help this product to spread evenly on the surface. That's why we're using the brush or cocktail stick or whatever you need. Okay, right now I will dilute this product with regular water. As I mentioned earlier, it's an acrylic one, so it will mix together very well. But remember this, that you will gain much more product, but when the water is evaporate, the resin will shrink. Okay, so I got the murky water from Woodland Scenics. It's like a special paint for waters and etc. So I will mix this two components together, and we will check what do we get here, because I want my puddles to be more vibrant, more to see more deepness of the puddles. So I add 1 drop of color. Of course, with regular acrylic paints like AK, you can achieve similar effects. As you see, after mixing with this murky water, we achieved more darkened stains, more darkened puddles, because my puddles will be a little bit deep, so I want to achieve more darkened ones, not very transparent ones. That's why I add a little bit of paint for this mixture. And observe how I add this to the diorama. Little bit of close-ups will show you how the product works, how realistic it is. Of course, I think these products you can use for the vehicles, mainly to achieve very wet, fresh mud. I think it's not specially for diorama product. If you are smart enough, you can use it for vehicles, or I don't know, whatever you want. After the drying tag, of course, as you see, the product is glossy, very glossy, and the puddles look very, very nice. Okay, if you like this tests and reviews, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for my channel, of course, if you like what you see, and hit the notification button so the YouTube will inform you when I upload the new video. Guys, thank you very much, have a nice day, see you next time, bye.